Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to build a website for your business without any coding experience. Whether you're starting a new business, or looking to revamp your current website, this tutorial will guide you through the process of building a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. Before you start building your website, it's important to plan it out. You'll need to decide on the purpose of your website, the layout, and the features you want to include. Start by asking yourself these questions. What is the main purpose of my website? Who is my target audience? What pages do I need on my website? What features do I want to include, e.g. contact form, social media links, e-commerce functionality? Once you have a clear idea of what you want your website to look like and what features you want to include, you're ready to move on to the next step. There are many website builders available that make it easy for you to build a website without any coding knowledge. In this tutorial, we'll be using Wix, which is one of the most popular website builders. Wix has a drag-and-drop interface that allows you to easily customize your website's layout and design. Follow these steps to create your website. 1. Sign up for a Wix account and choose a template that fits your business. 2. Customize your template by adding your own text, images, and branding. 3. Add the pages you planned already and customize them with your own content. 4. Add any features you want to include, such as a contact form, social media links, and e-commerce functionality. 5. Preview your website and make any necessary changes. 6. Publish your website and make it live for the world to see. Once your website is live, you want people to be able to find it when they search for keywords related to your business. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. We will talk about SEO optimization in a separate video. Congratulations! You've just learned how to build a website for your business with no coding experience. Remember to regularly update your website with fresh content, and continue optimizing it for search engines to ensure it stays relevant and attracts new visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!